Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching, and if you've stayed with the video to this point, I thank you so much for the support that you are giving this channel. Also I want to remind you that if you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you'll do that. I hope you'll subscribe today. Make sure you hit that notification bell a couple of times. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And if you already subscribe, I thank you so much for your support. Also, I wanted to make sure that I mentioned the host and the co-host for this collaboration. The host is the lovely Marilyn. Her channel is Fabulous Designs on a Budget, and she has two co-hosts. She has Miss Kimberly Davis, and her channel is Diva Designing on a Dime. There's also Miss Kira, and Kira's channel is Styled by Kira. Now, I have left links to all three ladies, to their channels down in my description box, along with the playlist. I hope at the end of this video, you will click through, visit their channels, and visit that playlist, because I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Now, I thank you again so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. Bye-bye, and have a great evening or day. Bye-bye.